Helo, Emrys ydw i o Sgil Iaith. Hi, I'm Emrys from Sgil Iaith. Ac dwi am siarad ynglyn â cyflwyno yn PowerPoint ar gyfer Microsoft 365 gydag isdeitlau Cymraeg amser real. I'd like to talk about presenting with real-time Welsh subtitles in PowerPoint for Microsoft 365. Gall PowerPoint ar gyfer Microsoft 365 drawsgrifio'ch geiriau wrth i chi eu cyflwyno a'i harddangos ar y sgrin fel isdeitlau wedi cyfieithu i iaith arall. PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 can transcribe your words as you present and display them on screen as subtitles translated to another language. Gall hyn galluogi cyflwyniad dwyieithog pan nad yw'r cyflwynydd yn rhugl yn y ddwy iaith, neu hwyluso cyflwyniad gan cyflwynydd dwyieithog sy'n awyddus i beidio ailadrodd pob dim ar lafar. This can enable a bilingual presentation when the presenter is not fluent in both languages, or support a presentation by a bilingual presenter who's keen to not have to repeat every word of his presentation in both languages, as I'm doing now. Felly, sut dyn ni'n gosod isdeitlau? How do we set up subtitles? Ar y diwislen sioe sleidiau, dewisiwch defnyddio isdeitlau bob amser. On the slideshow menu tab, select Always Use Subtitles. Defnyddiwch iaith lafar i weld yr ieithoedd llais y gall PowerPoint ei adnabod, a dewisiwch yr un rydych chi ei eisiau. Nid yw'n adnabod Cymraeg eto, felly dewisiwch Saesneg. Use spoken language to see the voice languages that PowerPoint can recognize, and select the one you want. PowerPoint doesn't recognize Welsh yet, so we'll choose English. Defnyddiwch iaith isdeitlau i weld pa ieithoedd y gall PowerPoint ei dangos ar y sgrin fel isdeitlau. A dewisiwch y Cymraeg. Use subtitle language to see which languages PowerPoint can display on screen as subtitles, and choose Welsh. Yna, mae bosib gosod leoliad dymunol i'r isdeitlau. It's also possible to set the desired position of the subtitles. As you can see, it's set up here to appear below the slide. Felly, dyn ni barod i fynd, we're good to go, ac dyn ni gallu mynd i fewn i'r cyflwyniad, we go into the presentation. And if I speak English, then you should see a Welsh translation appearing below the screen. It's possible to switch these subtitles on and off. If I take the mouse and just hover in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that a menu appears, and this little icon switches the subtitles on and off. So I can switch them off, and then I can switch them back on again. And the translation recommences. It's a good idea if you're using this in front of a class, of course, to use maybe a Bluetooth headset with an inbuilt microphone. This ensures a good, clear audio signal and a more reliable translation.